I had a lead scraping software which was used by 800 to 900 people every single day, as you can see on your screen. And most of these people, most of the customers which I had simply came from me spamming 450 DMs a day from my Twitter account to people for whom the software might be relevant. So I found all the people who were doing like cold outreach, cold emails, SMS, WhatsApp messages, and I simply sent out a message saying that, yo, I have this awesome thing. This can help you. They checked out the site. They started the free trial. It made me a lot of money. It made them a lot of money as well. And recently, I launched my new software, which could help people with basically like sending out cold emails, which is basically a way they can create the infrastructure. So if you want to send out like cold emails and you want to do it at scale, you need email inboxes from which you can send out emails. So I just simply built out a solution for this, best infrastructure in terms of deliverability, cost, and ROI. So obviously I need to tell people about the same because I have this awesome thing. So I'm just going to be building a live Twitter outreach machine in this video so that you can find a lot of value and maybe you can use it as well. So this is going to be for software because right now I'm mostly interested in getting customers for my software because the vision I have in life is to basically build an entire ecosystem which people just, if they want to do outreach, they just come to me. All of the problems they have related to outreach are fixed using that. So that's why I'm going to be focused more on software, but it can simply work for you if you have an agency as well because most people who watch my videos, they have like a service-based business or an agency. So when it comes to the Twitter outreach thing or any outbound system in general, the first thing you have to do is find like a source of leads. So on Twitter, there are like different sources of leads. Like the most common sources of leads are basically either you can scrape someone's followers or following. So uh, let me just write find like so I'll just take Alex and Mosey's example because like I'll suggest you not to like scrape his followers or following. It can work, but every person who thinks of outreach on Twitter just goes ahead and scrapes like his followers. So yeah, he's being followed by these 947,000 people and he's following like these 182 people. So I can go ahead, scrape and send out like messages to all these people. So that could act as a lead source, like an influencer who is being followed by people in your industry. So for example, like let's say I wanted to reach out to people who have content agencies or agencies in general. Like there's this guy called Ayman Arab, like yeah, this guy. So I know like he mostly posts about how to grow your agency, scaling your agencies, getting clients, outreach, everything. And he has like these 11,000 people who follow him. At least 1,000 to 3,000 of them will probably be qualified for this. So all you have to do is just find like one person who is being followed by these people, and it's going to be pretty good. It's going to be better than you like messaging random people, like literally reaching out to everyone on Twitter. It's kind of like systematized as well. You can find it on scale. But what I've seen is like the thing which works the best, the entire thing which I did is like, I'll give you the exact playbook I use. So for example, I was reaching out for my previous lead generation software. I would go ahead and I would search for like B2B leads. I would come here, I will click on advanced search and simply just come down and ensure like the post had minimum like 50 replies. So I would find posts which had these keywords and they had like minimum 50 replies. So for example, like this post, 5 million B2B leads giveaway. So like these type of giveaways are very common on Twitter where people are basically saying that comment this word, I'll send you this or something. So I just find like things which lead magnets, which my ideal customers will be interested in, and then I simply start sending out messages to them. So yeah, for example, I know like every person who has commented leads over here, they're interested in getting like leads for their company. So I just simply move ahead and yeah, I just like sent out messages to all of them. So that's a strategy which I followed. So I can still do this, or maybe I can like let's say Apollo. I can search for it maybe. Uh let me try to do advanced search. Apollo lead and minimum reply is 50. So for leads, like this is the best thing which I found. It's just finding like these giveaway type of posts. Uh, yeah, I think like most of these people they already are paying for it because they're paying money for like Apollo, they're paying money for like API scrapers and everything in it. And so it'll be good because these people they're like kind of interested in it. So this is one lead source which I have. And yeah, you can just find unlimited posts like this and you can actually automate this using like N10 as well, like finding these giveaway type of posts using AI. So that's like a much more robust system which you can create like every single day you go and you scrape like the Twitter advanced search every single day and you find like posts and then you give it to like an AI agent and the AI agent can see if it will be relevant for your company, and if it's relevant, you can scrape all of the replies. So that's like a more robust system which can be built out. But yeah, right now we're just starting it, and every machine, every complex system, every robust system which started well is starting from scratch. So for example, in India, we have a company called Flipkart. It's like Amazon, and yeah, it's basically like a kind of like a shitty version of Amazon. Like I've actually not used it a lot, but I remember like the founders of this company, like when they started out, they used to like manually take the orders. They used to go on their fucking motorcycles or scooters and deliver out the books. So this $1 billion company started out as two people just randomly accepting orders and going on motorbikes. Similarly, there's a company called Zepto, and again, like the founders of these companies, like one of the best delivery apps. It's like Uber Eats, but like 1,000 times better if you live outside the India and you don't know it. And I actually like the founders of this company, and like it started off when the COVID lockdown was going on, and they just used to have like a WhatsApp group with their neighbors, and the neighbors used to say like, can you get this thing from the grocery store? Can you get me this vegetable? So every great thing starts off small. So don't try to don't try to strive for perfection before something works. You have to get a proof of concept. You have to like ensure that this thing actually works before you actually go ahead and you try to optimize everything. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using for leads right now, just to start. And yeah, so for this, like we are using, like I'm obviously going to be biased, so I'm going to be using my software which we have, which is BlueReach by StailGen. And yeah, over here you can have like multiple lead sources in the bot section. So yeah, like you can buy this as well. It's like the best thing, because for like $49 a month right now, you can send like unlimited DMs with unlimited accounts, and it has all the features. It's completely safe. So yeah, when it comes to like different types of things, like you can either reach out to people's followers or followings, verified followers, or custom users. So I'm going to be using like a custom user list, and I'm going to be uploading like a CSV file. But for that, before that, we have to scrape it. So right now we are working on a scraper to basically, you can just like copy paste the link of this post, and you can use like the scraper to scrape that. So for example, with Leadwave, we are like a Twitter scraper where you can enter like a username. So for example, like let's take Elon Musk only, and you can scrape like the followers or the followings of the person, and you can start extracting. So a scraper like this we are working on, where you can enter like the link of a post, and you can scrape all of the people who have like applied to it. So that is going to be coming, and till then, like till the time that is not been perfected, you can still do it for free. There's a scraper called Instant Data Scraper. It's like free to use. So you can use Instant Data Scraper, and now you can just like click on reset columns, and now you can see like all the different people who are present over here. So all you have to do is simply like, I'll actually see like what's the exact source we use in the extension. Like I forgot if we use like the Twitter URL links or the username. I think it should be username. So no, not here in the bot section. So let me see like the username demo. Username name. So yeah, it's going to be like the username and the name. So firstly, we have to like get the usernames only. So I'll come back to like instant data scraper, and over here, I'll just like delete all the columns except the username. So this is not required. This is like the link of the post. This is like the name of the person. And yeah, maybe we can keep the name. So I'll reset it. We'll keep the name because maybe we can extract like the first name using this. So yeah, after that, like remove this as well. This is like the username, so we will keep this. Rest all the columns we do not actually require. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and delete all of them. Boom. Yeah. Now all we have to do is simply click on the start crawling button over here. And yeah, simply going to go ahead and scrape all of these people. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the meantime. And after that, all we have left to do is simply like create a message which you're going to be sending out to these people. So that's what I'm going to do. If you want to get this extension for sending out the messages, you can go to bluereach.salegen.com, and you can find like the link in the pin comment. You'll find it there. And yeah, right now we don't have a free trial, but I think we are adding a free trial as well. So yeah, you can go ahead and you try it out for free for like a couple of days, and then you can see if it works for you. So yeah, go ahead and try it out for free. By the time you're watching this video, a free trial will probably have been added over here. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to create like the messages, and we read by SailGen. Now we come to the DM templates. I'll delete the existing template which we have, and we can create like different DM templates. Boom. So let's say I'll call it old infra. Now we can enter the exact message which you want to send. So I'll write something like your first name, uh, uh, just saw your comment on a post related to cold email. I know this is kind of random, but I uh, I I've been sending around 100k emails a month to find the best infrastructure to send emails that actually go in the inbox and and got the best ROI from using Microsoft Outlook for inboxes. Microsoft Outlook for inboxes. Uh, mm, if you want to know why, if you after that, what else can we say? I've been sending around 100,000 emails a month and got the best ROI from using Microsoft Outlook for inboxes. They cost around $0.2 a month per inbox if you buy from Microsoft. But if you mm, but you can go to rosalden.com to get them for just $5. Me know on the count code you can apply for the discount. Normal price is $4 per inbox. Yeah, I think it's decent. Your first name just saw a comment on a post related to cold email. I've been sending around 100,000 emails a month and got the best array from using Microsoft inboxes. So, can I send you because price per inbox on the site? Yep. Mm, the site. Yeah, looks kind of decent to me. Your first name just saw a comment on a post related to cold email I've been sending. So this basically like the person is thinking, why the fuck is he reaching out to me? So that's why we break the ice. After that, some social proof, some numbers, because I don't have like a lot of customers, so I don't have social proof, but I can state numbers that I've been doing this and I got the best ROI from using Microsoft inboxes. So why he should care about me? Like they cost $7.2 a month from Microsoft, but you can go to this website and get them for just $125. Can I send you the discount code? You can apply for the you can apply because the normal price is $4 on the site. Yeah, looks good to me. Hmm, sounds good. Actually, over here we have to use full name, but I'll just like use the first name instead. So I'll copy this. Boom. Add message. Cold infra. Yep. Now the message is ready, and yeah, just save it. Now all you have to do is simply select the bot which you're going to be using for reaching out to all these different people. Uh, has all of this data been scraped, or is instant data scraper still scraping? I'll just like give it some more time because the data is not fully scraped yet, it's still scraping. And once that is done, I'll just like resume the video. So yeah, all of the leads have been scraped. As you can see, we have reached like the end of the page. And now all you have to do is simply open up the CSV file, which I just downloaded, the template, and I'm going to click on open, upload. And I think I should be recording at some other place because I'm in an Airbnb right now and the Wi-Fi is in the other room. And I'm sitting at the corner of this room. That's why everything is loading so slowly. But yeah, that's like the thing. When you are not in your own country, things happen. You cannot always expect things to go perfectly. So yeah, this looks good. Now just come over to Instant Data Scraper and click on copy all. I just like to copy the data instead of downloading a new CSV, and I'll just like paste it over here. This row I can delete row, and now I'm going to use like the help of ChatGPT to basically like make some changes. Basically I just want like the first name over here and get rid of like the at the rate symbol because we don't need like the at the rate symbol before the thing. So actually, you know what, uh you need to copy this because I added the name in the place of usernames. I'll just like insert one column to the left. So yeah, boom. And now we can just copy all of this and just paste it in the first column and delete this column. Paste, delete column. Yep. I think my chat GPT is connected to my Google Sheets. So I should be able to do it because I have like the, hey, can you find the Google Sheet name, username? I want to remove the at the rate symbol before the Twitter username and use just the first name of all entries in the user in the name column. Basically delete the last name. How to do it? So yeah, my chat GPT is connected to this. If you want chat GPT at affordable prices, you can go to SaveBig, which is a platform I made to basically help you save a lot of money when buying softwares. You can buy a lot of discounted softwares and a lot of cool stuff over here. Just come here and search for chat GPT, and it's going to be like activated on your mail like a private account, and it's like 50% off. So yeah, you can buy directly from here. Mm. Da. Column C, pay special, pays values only. Okay, it's asking me to do this. Boom, copy this, maybe paste it, values only. Yes, I think, no, I think I copied it wrongly. Yeah, just drag it down to the bottom so that all the values are updated. Yep, looks good. Is special values only. Yeah, username is ready. Now I can actually like maybe delete this as well. Yes. Now we just have to like fix the name D. Let's just paste this and just select the entire column. No, not this. We need the thing. Just drag it down to the bottom and then the name is ready as well. Boom. Now just copy this entire thing and let's paste it here. Boom. Paste special values only. Oh, it'll come from the bottom, man. That will be better. Yes, this is good. Now we can get rid of all the, yeah, this is good. Now all we need to do is also get rid of the duplicate entries because you can see like some usernames are appearing multiple times. So that's what I'm going to do is data, cleanup. Okay, I need to use like I think only one column maybe. Data, cleanup. Why can't I remove duplicates? What? It used to be there. Okay, boom, remove duplicates. So now we have the lead list ready. I'll just download it and I'll import it. I don't know why, for some reason, Chrome in my computer has a problem where whenever I try to upload a CSV file in any extension, like not even others' extension, like not even just my own extensions, anyone else's extension, like it just does not work for some reason. So I'll have to see if this works over here. But yeah, you will be able to do it because, yeah, like Chrome is just messed up for me. I don't know why. Let me try to upload the custom users first. Yeah, my camera died for some freaking reason. Anyways, we just come to the DM bot and over here we select custom users and you can enter like the names separated by a line break as well. Or you can upload like a CSV file. I'll just upload like the CSV file and you can see it's work fine. So yeah, after that you can select like the name of the bot. I'll just call it like cold infra. Then like the DM template, we called it cold infra, which has like the messages you want to send. You can send images and GIFs as well if you want to. Otherwise, if you want to enable a blacklist, like import people who you don't want to send messages to, you can do that. After, like, you can set the limit. So I want to set it to like 450 DMs a day and time interval between DMs. Like, you should probably keep it higher. I'm just like impatient. So I keep it to the minimum, which is 0.5. And over here, like 0.5 to 1 minute. After that, I just keep it to like 1 minute after sending like 100 messages, like 1 minute to 5 minutes. Yeah, I just like don't care because Twitter is kind of lenient with cold outreach. Like if it was Instagram, it would have been different. Now you can simply come here to this icon and you can select like which bot you want to use. If you remember, we named it cold infra, and then you can select if you want to like message people you have already messaged to. So I don't want to do it, so I'll exclude all history list. Then after that, you can select this suspend task when request fails. If you want to like let's say you try to message a user and he does not have like DMs open and you're unable to send it. So you can suspend the task, but it does not make sense. You can also have like advanced filters. So I don't really think so. It's required like these because these people have already displayed interest. Because if I were reaching out to followers or following, then it would make sense. But right now it doesn't actually make a lot of sense. So I just click on the start working button over here. It's going to open up Twitter in a new tab, and you can see it will start over here. It starts going to start sending out the messages to all these people. So yes, some of these people will have some errors. You can come here and you can like see the actual errors and what they mean. So yeah, you can come here, you can troubleshoot live. Some people do not allow messages to be sent out to them. You can try out the extension for free as well if you want to. Yeah, you can see like the name of the bot over here. This Notion page has all the errors which you will face, but I told you like the Wi-Fi is in the other room, so it's not loaded really fast. But yeah, most of the errors are going to be because people like either you already have sent a message to the person and the person allows only one message from the person who has not texted them yet, or the people do not allow you to like send a message to them, or if you apply filters, obviously like the person is not a qualified entry. So yeah, now it's going to wait for like 30 seconds and then it's going to try to send a message to the next person. So that's the entire outreach system which you're going to be using. The entire concept of this is like you can't copy paste this because you probably have something else, but you need a system which works. You need something which can like, how to explain it? Like you need good leads, and leads, by good leads, I don't mean like you have to buy the most expensive software. You just need to find leads for whom the message or the product you're trying to sell will be relevant. For example, if like a software company say like creating a post like hiring SEO people to scale a company, reaching out to them will be a much better idea if you want to sell SEO compared to reaching out to like a random person. So yeah, the other person you can see like they do not allow you to receive, like they do not allow you to send DMs, so that's why I did not go to him. But yeah, just find people who are kind of showing intent. For example, if you want to sell like leads and services, try to find companies that are hiring for SDRs and business development representatives. For example, these people are interested in leads, cold emails. So I know it's kind of relevant for them. If I'm reaching out to a person who does like Twitter outreach, like for example, my friend has a company called Scrapely. And like if I want to sell my Twitter outreach software, then it makes sense. I would maybe like messages followers or following. But at the same time, like it does not make sense. For example, yeah, just find people who are actually interested in buying what you have to sell and just make like the message like low, risk free, whatever. So yeah, just keep it short, concise, make it really casual, human sounding. Just try to think. So as you can see, the first DM was sent because this profile was actually like legit and it was receiving DMs and everything. So yeah, I can come here. If I go over to this person over here, my internet is so terrible. I'll probably have to change the place where I film out these videos. But yeah, the first message was sent out, and like this message, all of them will start receiving messages soon. So yeah, usage, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, you can see, boom, it has been sent out. So yeah, that's the entire thing. I'll just leave it running in the background. I'll go out, probably go to the beach, get some food because it's like 3:40 p.m. and I've not had anything since the morning. If you found value, yeah, just let me know how else I can help you. A lot of cool shit in the description. Go check it out. Bye. All the relevant links will probably be found in the pin comment. Bye. Take care.